Hello and welcome back to Southside Miniatures. Hello everybody, and that is I Mick, as you know. We're going to do an untubing today, not an unpacking sorry, yeah, it's not an unpacking or an unboxing, it's an untubing. So this is from Jennifer Kahn Miniatures, and it is wallpaper for the Art Deco. And then for the Art Deco House, and then we haven't seen it, and then as you can see, we just and then we see it when you see it. Get it, take it out, and then I have taken the address off, and then off the cardboard tube. So, and then let's have a look. I might have to get a stronger pair of glasses by the look of it, because I can't even see. Hang on, I'm just going to get me knife, I think. Sorry about the chair. One day I will get a chair that don't squeak. Right, do that there. That's it. This is for the Art Deco House. So as you know, I can get on and finish the rooms off. I don't really want to catch any of the wallpaper inside. That's it. Oh, that's it. Oh, that's the invoice. So what I'm going to do is fold that, and then put that to one side. I'll put that over there so I don't cut myself. Okay. Right, and then we just got this little letter inside it, and then as it is from Jennifer Kahn, it says like, thank you, your orders made our day. We hope this this package makes yours. So there's the letter. Or the little advertising thing, I think. Right, we should have not, hang on, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we should have 9 bits of wallpaper here. And that's all bent up. So what I'll do, I'll just move that over there. I don't remember. Now I'm just going to count them for a moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, oh, and they must have got two bits free, because I don't remember, and that's how I don't remember ordering these, but because that's one we must have got free, and that's so they can and they do a wall in the kitchen or a bathroom, so that's nice. So I'll put that there, and if I lay that down, what I'll do, I'll move this because and now I've got stuff everywhere, so I'll just put that there. So we've got that one there, that blue tile one, and then we've got a brown, kind of like a brown slate one, woven in that pattern, brown woven pattern. So that's That's so that'd be a nice bit of wallpaper to go somewhere. Right, this is the 2 free ones, and there's now the ones we ordered. Sorry, these are, and I must will tell you, these are 1 in 12 scale, and because she does do a lot more scales, like 1 in 24 and all that, but these are 1 in 12. So, and then so this is for feature wall, and that is in the Art Deco House, or and if not this Art Deco one, it'll be in another one. So there's that one there, and we got another one the same but different colour. And there's also, we got that one there, and as they are lovely, and that is lovely in the wallpaper. They're top quality wallpaper as well, and then they're really thick, and that, so yeah, they are lovely. So there's that one there, and then we got the silver with the white flamingos on them. Oh, silver. I mean gold. Sorry, silver. Gold with the white flamingos on them. And there's that one there. And that is for free for the free walls. And then we got like and then there are 3 more lots, but 2 of them. Yeah, we got that one there. That's the second one, so I'll put that down. And as this is a different design, but and they're beautiful paper and colours, and they really are. And then they've got that one there as well, and I hope you can see it. That's it clearly. We've got that one there as well. And this is the same one, because we've got 2 of each of them ones. And this is the last one, but we've got 2 of them. And that is the golden arches. And then that is going to make the Art Deco house when they're staying right out. And especially these papers and the designs we're going to have, what was put in there. Well, like saying, like the photos and the different ornaments we're going to have in there and all that. So and statues. So that is it, and that's the last one. So thank you for choosing our video, and as I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you ever could push like. And please subscribe, and push the subscribe button. And we'll catch you in the next one. Have a lovely day, and we'll speak to you soon.